Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, what do we got here, Mamas? What's that? That's Princess. Princess Play-Doh?
Lyla.
You can pretty much put Play-Doh all over her dress. See? Put the Play-Doh all over her dress. And then what's this? Fun with numbers buckets. Learning numbers? All kinds of stuff in there. Alright, what do you want to open first?
This.
Princess?
Big.
Okay, open up the princess. Okay, open up that. Here, let me help you. Take out the princess. See? What else do you got? Sparkly Play-Doh. Sparkly. Blue Play-Doh. What else? What's that? What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. Sparkly pink Play-Doh. Awesome.
A bucket.
And the bucket. You want to open up the bucket?
Bucket.
Okay, put those aside. Okay, let's open up the bucket.
Bucket.
Open up the bucket! It's hard to open up, huh? Here, let me bite it. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and open it up. Like this, look at it. Let me open it for you. Let me open this. There you go. Huh? What's all that? We got a roller. We got little stencils for numbers. What's this? Here, let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, look at it. It's a learning mat. So we can learn. See, you can put all the Play-Doh on there. See, you got 1, 2, 3. What's this?
Red.
What's this?
Banana.
Nana. Bananas. Put this down right here. Okay, let's see here.
Red.
Here, let's play with the stencils. We'll get the yellow color. You want red? Oh, you already opened it up. Here, let's make some numbers. You want to make number 1? Oh, here it is. Number 1. Here, let's make this. Look at it. You put it right here on the floor. Look at it like this, Mama. Lyla, look at it. You put it on the floor. You get the roller. See, look at it. Then we roll it like this. We roll it, 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 roll it. Then we get the stencil. See? And look at, look at Lyla. 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 Look at, look right here. Look at, I'm gonna press down. See? Press down like this. And there it is. See? We got the number 1. 1. What else do you got? Clean up. Clean up. Here, let's do the number 2. 1. Oh, this is a, what is this? A 5. It's not a 2. It's a 5. Okay, where? Bye. Clean up. You gonna play with the princess? Here, let's play with the princess.
No, better.
Here, let's see what we can do. Okay, first we'll get the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
And then we'll roll it. There we go. Let's roll it like that. There you go. Okay. See, now we got all this Play-Doh. And then we'll get the princess.
One.
Look it. We'll go like this with the princess. And then we'll take her off. Here, watch out. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, you can put stuff in here.
Uh-oh.
And then there's all her little utensils.
Uh-oh.
Look it. It opens up. You can put Play-Doh in there too.
And
And then this falls off for some reason. Okay. Okay, what else do you got there? Here, let's do the, you want to learn? On the learning mat?
No.
Here, put the mat right here. There we go. And let's... the mats. What's this? Okay, 1 plus 4 equals 5. What happened? Oh no, your glue fell. Here it is. That's a blue Play-Doh.
Daddy.
1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got all the Play-Doh smashed up here. What are you doing? Huh? You got your Play-Doh? What color is that? Blue. Are you gonna play with the princess? Princess. 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 Here's your roller. This is to roll. Roll the Play-Doh. And here's more stencils. You got all your numbers right here. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we should do your sparkly Play-Doh. Your pink sparkly Play-Doh, yeah?
No.
No? Which one do you want to do? Do you want to open those yet?
Back.
Okay, back. Which ones do you want to play with? What number's that? What are you doing? Huh? The number 4.
No. Mine's a me.
Oh my gosh.
Me.
You share.
No.
Say share.
J.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Share. What are you doing? You stacking up all your Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What shirt you wearing? Huh? Ninja Turtles. What's that? Turtle. Say pizza.
Pizza.
Power. Turtle. Power.
Wow.
Yeah, the number 4. Let me see. Show him. Show him the number 4. See? The number 4. Here, show him the number 1.
No.
Here.
No.
Let me help you. Here, look it. Show him the number 1. Here. Here's number 1. Here, I'll take the number 4. You take the number 1. And you do the number 4. Do the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one's that? Princess?
No.
Here, let me see the princess. Here, let's put the stuff on the princess. Watch. You can fill her dress up. Like this. With all the Play-Doh. Let's see here.
Oh.
This dress up.
Oh.
Whoa, what happened?
No.
Say awesome. Everything is awesome. There you go. There's one. Take a long time to fill in this dress.
No.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Here.
No.
2.
Oh, we don't. See?
Huh?
Oh, we don't.
Is it all your Play-Doh?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't.
Whoa. Let me see.
Daddy.
Yes,
No.
princess.
Do.
Let me see.
No, no. But.
Oh, I'll put it back. Put it back. Gosh.
Dot.
Gosh.
Dot.
Gosh.
No.
What are you doing? Trying to get the Play-Doh out?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's put your mat away. Put your mat away. Here,
No.
fold it up.
Okay.
Fold it up
Diva.
and put it back.
Take it back.
It's clean up.
No,
Clean
no.
up. No? Here, let's put the princess back. Say, bye, princess.
No. I mean it. I mean it.
Huh?
I mean it.
We have to clean up
I mean it.
your mat. Wait, what's that? What is that? Cookies. Cookies.
Cookies.
Okay, Mama. It's time to go bye-bye. You ready to go bye-bye?
No.
You ready to watch a movie?
I want to do.
You still playing with your Play-Doh? Clean up. Clean up.
Then my one.
What are you doing? Putting it back in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay, let's look at the sparkly Play-Doh.
What?
See how that looks.
No. On no. A blocky.
Look at sparkly. Hold on. I can get it out. There it is. See? See it sparkle.
Buckle.
Sparkly.
A buckle.
See it sparkle, huh? Sparkle. Awesome. Here, I'll take it off right now. Here. Ah! Here.
Hey.
Here's your blue sparkly Play-Doh. Okay. Uh-oh, you dropped that.
Okay.
It's on the floor. It's all dirty now. Clean it. Here, let me get it for you, okay? Let me get the sparkly Play-Doh for you. You dropped your utensil too. Here you go. Put it back in. Okay, Mama. Get ready to go.
No.
Say bye.
No.
Just wave to the camera.
Nina.
Wave to the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
Hey, Eddie.
Say later.
Eddie.
Later, alligator.
Eddie.
All right.